What a beautiful day today. We do not hear Carl the bird out chirping anymore. Most likely he's gonna come out at night. But for now, it is a beautiful day. We do not hear Carl. My skin is glowing. Look at this. I woke up with glowing skin. Just kidding, it's just sunblock. We got some bad news, guys. Bad news. Well, let me go ahead and tell you guys. Basically, my freaking rotors are out. Like, look at this. You could even feel it. It's crucial. Like, you could feel this lip around the rotor, and it is just really, really crucial. And, you know, it's time for me to change up the rotors. You know, it's about time. I've been kind of neglecting them, and it's time to pay my dues now. So, someone was driving around here, and their hat flew off. Look at this. Guess what? So I was actually driving, and let's let the car warm up. They say you're not supposed to let like the newer cars warm up, but I don't believe that. I'm still old school, you know. I still gotta warm up the cars, even if they're 2018, 2019, 2020. I don't care. I'm still warming it up. Anyways. Oh yeah, I was telling you guys a story. So the other day when I was filming the LED video, actually, we were trying to make that video even cooler, but my freaking rotor, like, it started making like some really horrible noises, and I was like, oh, I can't drive this anymore. I don't want to get stranded, like, you know, on the side of the road and have it become a bigger deal. So I was like, no. So we just brought my Z back home, my little Nelson. Literally, it just happened. Like, I started hearing really bad noises, and it was just scary. So I was like, you know what? It's time. It's time. I can't believe I let it get this far, but it's okay. It's not that bad. It's just the rotors, probably get some new brake pads. I just freaking bought those brake pads too, but if it's messed up, I'm pretty sure it messed up the brake pads as well. So okay, so I have a few video shoots and like a few plans that I have for my Z and stuff soon. So I have to freaking buy some rotors off O'Reilly or like AutoZone or something, because it's like the fastest way that I could put, you know, new rotors on. I'm actually gonna get some slaughtered ones because they're just way better. You know, I've been hearing a lot about them, but if I were to get those, it would take about 2 weeks. So that means 2 weeks of me not driving Nelson, and I don't know if I could do that. So I'm just gonna buy these for now and then buy some new ones again. So I'm gonna be spending like so much money just because I want to drive my Nelson. It's okay though, it's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do. It's gonna be my first time changing the rotors on my 350Zs. Hopefully I don't mess up. I got this. If you believe in God, then you got this. So I got this. Someone in my last video said that I need a real jack, but I do got a jack. I do got a jack right here, man. What you talking about? I'm thinking about getting another jack though, a low profile jack, a smaller one than this, because this one is a little slim thicky. He's a little slim thicky. Whoa, okay, look at this. It's like a little skateboard ramp right here, like this lip though, okay. It is so far done. You, Bubby, high five, Bubba. No. Bubby, are you gonna help me? It is my first time, so let's just hope for the best. If I'm over there riding on the freeway and my wheel just falls off, then we know why. Righty, let's see this. Okay. Oh. All right, I broke it loose. Yes. Woohoo! All right, so. Ooh, there it is. Ugh. Uh-oh, there it is. Ugh. All right. I should wear gloves. I just washed my hands right now because it's so hard to do with one hand. Ugh. Whoa. All right. Whoa. I just freaking touched my soul right now. Whoa, these are pretty gone. They look like little shoes. We have a problem. So I was trying to freaking take the whole caliper off, and I even put some leverage on it. Okay, I put some leverage on it, and it still didn't want to come off. So I went to AutoZone and I bought myself a breaker bar because I didn't have one and I needed one. And I'm hoping that with the breaker bar, it's way easier for the caliper to come off, because boy, it was giving me a hard time. Like, I almost broke a bone trying to take the freaking caliper off, guys. I almost broke a bone. We're about to test it out. Let's see its true potential and colors. I tried it before and I couldn't motherfucking do it. I'm a strong woman, so. Woohoo! I weigh 320 pounds, so. Oh, yes. Wow, it's coming off. Awesome. Awesome possum. The thing about this is that you can't really twist it. Now I'm gonna tie this bad boy. This rope better not fall or I'm gonna kill someone. Help me! I'm trying to wrap this little boy up. Now it's time to actually take off the spacer. Hey, whoa, I haven't seen this in such a long time. I actually forgot what size I got it. I do want to go ahead and measure it though, because I actually get a few questions sometimes. Like people ask me like, what size are your spacers? And I'm just like, I don't know, I forgot. I honestly forgot. So I got my ruler here. All right, so I have about 1.5 inches of a spacer. Pretty big spacer, guys. It's cool. I love the look that it gives my car, you know, with my wheels and stuff. Oh my god, okay. Hold on, let me hit this shit again. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, look at this. This is like so rusty, it's so bad. And look at that lip. Look at the sides. Oof, it was definitely time. We're gonna go ahead and play frisbee later if anybody wants to join. So I was at AutoZone, right? And I was getting the rotors. And the guy was like, oh, do you need help taking them to your car? And I was like, oh no, I'm okay. I got it, thank you. And then so he slides the rotors over, like all stacked up over each other. And then I tried picking it up and I was like, oh yeah, I do need your help. So he goes on and helps me, but boy, these are heavy. Right now, only one is not heavy. It's like not that heavy. It's about like, what, 20 pounds? But both of them, they were freaking, oh hang on, I was about to break my arms. All right, let's get it. Guys, if you guys want me to do any work on your cars, then let me know. Just kidding, guys. I don't want to fuck up your car. Baba! Let me fucking run. Baba, come here.
Tengo una nuera que se llama Emma. Es muy buena mecánica, ¿ok? La quiero mucho porque es muy funny. Pues Emma, mírenla. Aquí está toda greñuda, pero está echando mecánica.
Hey.
Está luchando por ser alguien en la vida. Una mugrosa mecánica, pero ahí está.
I'm just pushing in the whatever this thing. I think it's called a piston. Caliper's finally back on. Everything is good to go. And now we're just gonna put the wheel back on. I'm gonna clean my wheels now that I have the chance because they're off. I think they're gonna look beautiful. Time to wash the wheel. Woohoo! Yummy! Oh, FedEx truck is coming. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put my beautiful tire back on. My wheel, my beautiful wheel. This one's so tight that I have to step on it every time. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to do it again. Again. Oh my god. Whoa, I'm about to fall. Oh my god. I just broke it, guys. Oh my god, I just bought this. You know how much this was? Oh my gosh. I just freaking broke it. Okay, well, I could put, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get hot glue and I'm gonna return it. Just came back from getting another one, guys. I told that, look here. I told that bee, I said, you better exchange it right freaking now before I suck you in the head. And I said it like this. I was, you better give it or I'm gonna suck you in the head. I told her like that. She said, go on. I don't wanna get hit. So I went in the back and I went to go get my breaker bar and I was like, thank you. And I just left. No, I'm just playing. Literally, okay, so you know what happened? So I waited in the long ass line. There was like, the line was all the way to the back of the thing. I finally got to the cashier and then I was like, oh, my breaker bar broke. I wanted to exchange it. And then she was like, oh, you don't even need your receipt. She's like, these have lifetime warranty. So she was like, you don't even need to bring your receipt. So if this ever happens again, just bring it and we'll exchange it right out for you. And I was like, Carol, thank you. And I got a new one. Lifetime warranty, baby. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and test out the brakes, guys. I just brought the car out from inside the garage. Let's just hope that the wheels don't fall off. I'm probably gonna take the street just because I don't want to die. I'm gonna tell you guys how they are. Alright, so I usually take the freeway, but I'm kind of scared. So, nah, I'm gonna take the freeway, F that. I haven't ate since the morning and we're gonna go to Chipotle. We're gonna go to Chipotle right now. Okay. Okay, it doesn't feel that bad. I'm braking right now. It doesn't feel that bad. Like I said, these are the Duralast rotors, so they're not the best. I'm gonna give you guys a review on it right now. I'll tell you guys how it is. I don't want to get too close to people because what if I accidentally, like, it doesn't brake and I slam into someone's car? Uh-oh. Let's go a little faster. Okay, I'm not hearing no weird noises. Because like my other rotors, the ones I had before this, you would literally be able to hear like the screech and stuff, and it was just embarrassing. And okay, oh, I could kind of hear it, like barely. Brake check, brake check, brake check. Okay, not too shabby, guys, not too shabby. All right, guys, wish me luck. Let's just hope that the wheels don't fly off. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of traffic. What the hell? Oh, I could kind of hear them. I don't like it. I don't like I could barely hear it. Let me start braking. Okay. Okay, 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give these rotors like a 3. I'm gonna give them a 3. So like I said in the beginning, guys, the only reason why I have these is because I'm only going to be using them for about 2 weeks or until my new rotors and calipers come in. I haven't ordered anything yet because I'm still doing research on them and, like, you know, trying to see what would be best and whatnot. There's a specific one that I want though, so I'm looking for those, and they're a little hard to find, but you know, I'm gonna get them for sure. Yeah, so that's why I have these shitty rotors on right now. There's actually people that use these rotors, so it's not like too crazy, I feel, but 1 out of 10, definitely giving these like a 3 actually. A 3. I don't know if I said 3 or 4, but I'm gonna go with a 3. Whoa. Let's just hope I don't have no fits. Whoa. Okay, thank you.
Oh, no, you're a YouTuber. Kind of good for you. What kind of meat?
Chicken, please.
Sure.
Thank you. Finally, I am home. All I gotta say is I cannot wait to get my new rotors because low-key, these rotors are sus. Like, let me explain to you guys. So they're kind of like, I just feel unsafe with them. Like, they're drivable. Like, you know, they're not like freaking where you brake and it doesn't stop bad, but it is like you brake and then it stops. Like, it's kind of like, whoop. Well, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like not the best. And I have to go out like this, guys. I have to go out like this. I could still drive my car. It's just gonna be a little sus, okay? And that's all I gotta say about the rotors. I personally would not recommend these to you guys. I would be like, you know what? Just get the top-notch stuff so you guys are safe. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so cute! Oh, the doggy look like a big bear. We are home safely with the Chipotle. We secured the Chipotle bag. Secured the bag. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment the emoji of the day, which is going to be fireballs. Go ahead and comment that and I'll respond to every single one of you guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care, and thank you guys for helping me change my rotors because you guys know I wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys, because who would have been there to help me change the brake pad? Yeah, so thank you guys. And you are appreciated because you are smart and you are loyal. Catch you in my next one. Peace.
Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. In the back, just like alright. In the coupe with a bitch, alright. In the coupe, in the 6, alright.